What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope everybody's doing well. We're going to go over our friend Gala Game, sitting at 0.052, down 3% on the day. Seeing a market cap at 362 million, 24-hour volume 191 million. Let's hop into the charts. So I was looking for Gala to explode to the upside here. It really looked like it wanted to start to break out, but of course Bitcoin pulled it down. So potentially what we're putting in is a wave 2 pullback. This is a really bullish scenario. We have pulled back to the 0.786. So we can retrace up to 99% of wave 1, which is 0.046. But if we do bounce from this level, we could potentially put in a wave 3. But there's another wave count that we have to look at, which is basically that all of this is a wave 4 correction where you had a wave 3 low. All of this is a wave 4, and we're still looking to put in a wave 5. I do think there's one more wave down in the market, so there could be a high potential of that happening. However, what we may see here, let me pop back open to the 1 hour time frame. Looks like we may have already completed a 5-wave move to the downside here. So potentially what we could see is a relief bounce, where we come down in a potential wave 1, we see a wave 2 pullback, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, to put in a lower low and complete a wave 5. It's either that, or the bullish scenario is we're seeing a wave 2 pullback where we've come up in a 1-2, and once again we've had a 1-2, and then we're going to put in a 3, 4, 5 and complete that larger wave 3 to the upside. Now if we pop over to this chart here, which is on the daily, we did break out of this kind of descending triangle falling wedge pattern. I previously was showing it as a falling wedge, as you can see right here. So we did back test it. I mean, I've seen a couple analysts saying we're back testing it once again. It's a possibility, and then we break out and reach the technical target. It's either that, or this is just a little bit of a rally here before seeing continuation to the downside for Gala gains. Personally, I do think there's one more wave down. Yes, we can push higher before that happens. But if we fail to break this high, which is coming in at 0.072, then what I'm looking at here is we've come down in a wave 1, see a wave 2 pullback, and then we see a wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 to the downside to put in a lower low. All right, guys, we really can't say that we're putting in that impulsive wave 3. We don't really have any strong signals until we can come up and break that wave 1 high, because we can come up and still be putting in a wave 2 and then come down for that wave 3 to the downside. Personally, I think there's one more wave down. We'll have to see what happens, but we are seeing strength come back into the market on the 1 hour as we're consolidating. If we look at the 4 hour time frame, you can see we're consolidating. Relative strength is coming back, money is flowing back in, so we could potentially see a bounce. Whether it's a relief bounce or we're going to put in the wave 3, we don't know just yet. We'll have to see what happens here, but if we just continue to break down and we lose these lows, then for sure we're putting in a larger wave 5, and all of this was just a wave 4 correction. All right, guys, hopefully that all makes sense. If you're new to Elliott Wave, there's some great videos here on YouTube that you can definitely check out, and you'll have a better understanding. Big shout out to the Discord, where you can get my exact entries, exits, and take profits at the $10 membership. I just recently posted a trade signal and as well as my analysis. You can sign up through the Patreon, and over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And if you want to trade with me, check out my full length tutorial on Bybit, up to $4,500 in bonuses over there. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.